Alright, so welcome guys to another Blon sound test. We have the Blon 01 versus the 03. So actually both are, IEMs that I like. They do have different signatures, but I like how tasteful they were able to do it. So actually for me, either of these will work, but of course it will depend on your preference. Of course, if you want to get either of these, use my links down in the description below. It will help out the channel a lot. So which one is for you? Let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, let's start the sound test now.
Make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced.